seat in reverse? What in the world? I've never seen that before. That's a real demo.
Hey, do you see any big tents around here that you can tell me?
Wow.
Landmark?
Nice roundover. Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. Links in the description. Is that seat in reverse? What in the world? I've never seen that before. That's a real demo. Hey, what's going on, everybody? I'm JacobViral. I hope you enjoyed that quick walk around. We got a Corey system at the Slamfest audio show near Tampa, Florida area. Crazy system with 12 15-inch subwoofers, the ZV5 15s on 3 Sundown Saw 8Ks. If you notice, this is a 6th order as well. Back there in the back of the box, there's actually a port with a low-end box tuning underneath of these subs where the magnets are. So 6th order with 12 15s is a lot of cone area. This is going to be a crazy demo. I didn't get any spec walk around from him with the equipment, but this is 3 of the Sundown Saw 8Ks. So you could pretty much equate to probably 4 subs per amplifier, and then it looks like around 120 to 180 amp hours of lithium. I don't know very much about the lithium side. I'm just kind of still learning that. So if anybody knows, let me know in the comments. And if you notice the way the box is, this is probably around a 2-to-1 ratio 6th order based on the height ratio on the top ported chamber and then the bottom ported chamber, being that there is no loading wall in the front, but it's still got really windy. So 24,000 watts conservatively on 12 15-inch subs. We're getting to a demo now. I got a demo with 2 different people inside, so subscribe for daily videos and enjoy.
They could do all they could do, but they can't break unbreakable. They scared to fake it. Watch drop on my watch drop on niggas saying I made it.
Yes, sir. See you.